Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com. And your chart of the day. Want to take a look at RTX? This is the RTX Corporation, ticker RTX. And on a day when we had SPY closing under the 50-day moving average, the QQQ closing under the 50-day moving average, and IWM closing under the 21-day, RTX is showing a lot of relative strength here with a strong close near the high of the day while it's above all the key moving averages. And so what I want to see from RTX is some potential upside follow through with a move through and a close above, let's say 202 coming on volume. Now we have swing support on RTX at around 193. And so as long as 193 can hold, then this could potentially be a higher low and you're looking for a higher high, ideally with a move like that closes near the highs. So that's just one of a handful of setups that I'm looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll see you next time.